Hey guys, so today I'm gonna share with you how I grow asparagus. This is my older asparagus section. It's a bit more established with some new roots that I added, or crowns that I added this year. This is what the crowns look like. They are basically the root systems of the asparagus plant. You can grow them from seed, but that will take 5 years for you to harvest. So the fastest way would be to buy crowns. Crowns come in different maturity levels, so you could buy 1 year crowns, 2 year, 3, 4, and 5 year crowns. The cheaper ones are the younger ones, but it will take you 2 years to harvest. Well, 2 to 3 years to harvest after you plant 1 to 2 year old crowns. Okay, so yeah. Now, to get the area ready, you want to remove any rocks that may be underneath, because the root systems go very deep. They can go up to 10 to 18 feet deep into the ground. Okay, and you're going to make trenches and put the asparagus crowns on the top of the mound and have the roots in the trenches. You also are going to add some fertilizer, well-balanced fertilizer. I use 10-10-10 and some cow manure or compost. Cover it up, water it in, and that's it. So if you started a new bed, you want to wait at least 2 years, maybe 3, to start harvesting, depending on the age of the crowns, but a taste or two wouldn't hurt. Okay, some gardeners wouldn't recommend that, but it's your garden. If you want to try it, try it. You can harvest later in 2 to 3 years.